check it out, guys. Inside of this box here are some air filters for my air purifier. Whoa, hopefully I didn't just stab one of them. That was a bit much. And anyways, in this video, I'm going to give you an honest review and demo of them and everything you need to know before buying them. Because trust me, I've already had one of these for quite a long time. Alright, so they're in the box here. So these are supposed to go into my LEVOIT air purifier. As you can see on the top, it's saying that I need to change the filter. There is actually no filter inside of it right now. My other one got dirty, and I basically made the mistake of thinking that these were washable, like hand washable once they get dirty. I swear I thought I saw a video on TikTok saying that or something. And yeah, let's just say when I hand wash this, I did get the dust off, but then of course I tore a bunch of holes through this and it was soaking wet. I left it for several days and all it did was stay soaking wet and smell really bad. But anyways, pretty self-explanatory to put this in. You just go like this and then you can put your filter right back on. All right, so will that light go away? That's the question. Plug it back in. What? I replaced it. Not sure why that light is still on, but I did in fact replace it, so I know it's fine. And now one question you may be wondering is how long these will last. I think it just depends on where you are, where you're using it. For me personally, I've had this in my bedroom. I got my previous filter almost 2 years ago. Definitely over a year and a half ago, under 2 years. And I finally needed to replace it this week. So that's a pretty long time. Given that I got 2 of these, I think I'm good till like 2030 probably. I don't even know. But yeah, I'm super glad that they ship these to you and not make you buy a whole nother one of these. So that's always super useful. And yeah, if you haven't already, definitely get some. Get a pack of 2, maybe get a pack of 4. I know they sell 4. Whatever you need.